Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at the features of the Doosan Data Monitoring System, which is a diagnostic software specifically for Doosan excavators or wheel loaders. The software helps to communicate between the computer and the hydraulic systems, EEPOS, ECU or VCU on the Doosan machine, helping users to diagnose and repair quickly and accurately. Software is used with Doosan UVIM adapter. Let's take a look. With this diagnostic software, you can monitor the current status of equipment installed with controller, EPOS or VCU. You can save the data and use it for analysis and comparison. You can use vehicle diagnosis by forcing controller, EPOS or VCU outputs. Now let's click on the machine we want to review in simulator mode. Next, we will click on machine information. And then, we will click on monitoring, and so on, as we review some of the functionalities that the software offers. That's it for today's video. I hope our software presentation will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.